Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today, our topic is the articles. We know articles. Articles are those words which are used for nouns or which are used before nouns. Articles usually there are three types of articles, and these three types of articles has been categorized into the two important categories. One is known as indefinite article and another one is known as definite article. In the category of indefinite article, we usually deal with these two types of articles, a and an, whereas in the definite type of article there is the article which is used for some particular nouns, some particular subjects, and this article is the. Therefore, a and an are indefinite articles, the is definite article. What does indefinite article mean and what does definite article mean? Indefinite articles are used where nouns are not mentioned in a definite sense. For example, we use a and an in the indefinite subjects, in the indefinite nouns: a cat, a bird, a child, a doctor, a house, a bike, a boy, a table. All these nouns here, in all these nouns, we have used the article a. All these nouns are used in an indefinite sense. Therefore, that means there is not mentioned any sort of a particular sense of these nouns. Neither these nouns show any sort of particular sense. So, in these types of articles, a and an, we know in these types of articles a and an, we have to look where these articles can be used and what are the basic rules for usage of these two articles, that's a and an. Here, first of all, is the rule first. A. A is used in front of singular countable nouns which can be a person, which could be an animal, which could be a thing, which could be a thing, but there is not a specific usage of these nouns. So a is used in front of singular countable nouns. What is singular and what are the countable nouns? Singular, which means only one, and countable nouns are those nouns which can be counted. For example, in case of singular nouns, we mention a cat, a bird, a child, a doctor, a house, a bike, a man, a table. These are singular nouns. Countable noun, singular and countable nouns. Countable nouns. For example, these all are countable nouns. A cat. A cat means a cat can be counted. Whether if there are two cats, we use we cannot use a. We cannot use a. If there are more than one cat, we cannot use a. So a here is used in two cases. First, there should be a singular noun. Second, there should be a countable noun. In countable nouns, here are the best examples. These two conditions are best portrayed in these examples. So we will now move to the next condition. What is next condition? We don't use a before uncountable or plural nouns. We don't use a before uncountable. Those nouns that are not counted, we cannot use a with these uncountable nouns or plural nouns. What are uncountable nouns? Uncountable nouns therefore means those nouns which cannot be counted, and plural nouns are those nouns which are mentioned more than in more more than one subject. For example, woman or woman is singular noun, its plural noun is woman. Man is singular noun, its plural noun is men. Child is singular noun, its plural noun is children. Tooth is singular noun, teeth is its plural noun. So we don't use a before uncountable and plural nouns. This is the second condition. This is the second condition. Now coming to the third condition. If a noun starts with a consonant sound, B, C, D, F, G, H, K, etc., a comes before the noun. A comes before the noun. If a noun starts with consonant sound, consonant, we know there are 26 letters, and among these 26 letters there are 5 vowels. Consonants start with consonants here mean all those letters other than the vowels, the 5 vowel letters. We know all those nouns which start with consonant sound. These consonant sounded words may be cat, bird, child, doctor, house, bike, boy, table. These are all the words that start with the consonant letter, and we put a before these words which start with a consonant word as well as which give a consonant sound. There are the examples of those words which give a consonant sound as well as we start with the consonant letter. A cat, a bird, a child, a doctor, a house, a bike, a table. These are all the examples of those words that start with a consonant letter and that gives